So let's go ahead and look at the chain rule. So below there we can see the formula for calculating using for differentiating using the chain rule. So let's just look at an example so that we can briefly understand how it works. So let's say we have y equal to square root of x cubed plus 2x. So you can see from the chain rule we have how many letters? We have y, we have x and v, but from our equation we don't have v. So let's assign v to what is under the square root. So we are going to let v equal to x cubed plus 2x, and it's just a matter of finding what's in that equation so that we can substitute later. So let's first start by finding dv dx. So dv dx, this is equal to we bring down the power and you subtract minus 1. You subtract 1 from 3, becomes 2, plus 2, bring down the power is 1. You bring it down, it's still 2, and you subtract 1 from 1, that's 0. So x to the power of 0, it becomes 1. So dv dx is just 3x squared plus 2. Let's go ahead and find dy dv. So this implies that y is equal to square root of v, because we've said x cubed plus 2x, that's v. So y equal x to the power of half. So this is v to the power of half, not x. So I'm just going to change that in a minute. Y equal v to the power of half. So dy dv is equal to, you bring down the power and you subtract 1 from the power. So this becomes half v, half minus 1, that's negative half. So let's now substitute these derivatives into the formula so that we can find dy dx. So dy dx is equal to dy dv, that's half. I'm going to write it in this way because v to the power of negative half is the same as 1 over square root v. This multiplied by dv dx, that's 3x squared plus 2. And we can simplify it further. You bring the 3x squared to the top, and in the bottom we have 2 square root v. But we know that v is equal to x cubed plus 2x. So we can now substitute that equation connecting v, x cubed plus 2x for v. So this becomes 3x squared plus 2 all over 2 square root x cubed plus 2x. So this is our final answer. We have just applied that equation of chain rule. So basically you just have to understand the processes and that equation, so that you can solve problems and given problem.